Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to give you my resume of the 4 days I had with the MOTTI ZIGGY. It's an electric scooter and I'm going to give you the pluses and the minuses and the things that I like and I didn't like. First of all, I like the build quality of the scooter. Everything is good quality, all the trims, chrome trims, the handlebar for the pillion, even the top case, it looks really good to the touch, and I like that about the MOTTI ZIGGY. Of course, the main thing here that I like, it's the engine, 5000 watts engine. It's an amazing engine, which gives me the ability to go on the highway around 80 to 90 kilometers an hour. Don't forget, I'm 93 kilograms, 1.85 m. I'm heavy, and for those speeds with this engine, it is good. That top case that you guys see over there, it's another plus, since we do have storage underneath the seat where there's a battery, but it doesn't take too much things. Having a top case, it's another plus, and I like it very much. Of course, I do have some things that I didn't like very much, like for instance the turn signals. They don't do any sounds, which means that when I do a turn signal, sometimes I forgot to disconnect it, and I did, like say, 3 to 5 kilometers with the turn signals on until I looked down and it was on. And another thing, it's the side stand. Whenever you remove the side stand, the motorcycle it's engaged to ride or to go, and I think there should be a switch that we need to press in order to make it go. The side stand should make it go in neutral, and then click a switch. It's like a normal motorcycle, okay? Whenever you remove the side stand, it's in neutral. When you put first gear, then you go. Here you should have that protection. Why? Because it's an electric scooter. It's very silent, and if you don't pay attention, you can press the throttle by mistake, and since it has a lot of torque, it has torque, okay? The motorcycle can go very fast and you are not ready for it. That's a precaution that it should come on this scooter, but I'm used to it. I had 4 days with it. A lot of other scooters also have this thing working like this, but I still think that a switch for changing from standby to ready should be installed on the motorcycle. And basically those are the things that I liked and I didn't like about the MOTTI. There are more pluses than negatives, and the negatives, they are easy to upgrade, okay? It's not something very difficult to do. If they listen to my reviews, I hope they do, maybe they can change that in future models or even in the future versions, or even in this model. I don't know how the things are configured inside. I hope it's easy fixes, okay? Another thing that I did remember now that while I was riding, it's here on the dashboard. We do have the information about the trip, odometer and battery voltage. The problem is that it rotates in the sequence automatically, and we do not have a button to change it whenever we want. So sometimes it becomes annoying. When I want to see how many kilometers I did, I have to wait for it to go from the odometer to the tension of the battery and then to the trip. If I had a button, it would be much easier. That's being picky, but okay, like I said, maybe they watch my reviews, maybe they don't. If they do, they could change that for a button. And last thing, it's the battery. Like you know, it's a removable battery. You can take it upstairs. They do supply you with the charger. The only thing I would like the battery to have, it was the indication of the percentage of the battery. It would be more helpful than just having a red light on the charger, that when it's 100% changes to green, and then it stops charging. But like if I had a percentage button, I would be able to know or calculate how much time I would need for it to reach the 100%. And basically this is what I wanted to show you here on the motorcycle. If you like this resume, and if you want to see the presentation, you can see the video about the test drive I did on the Motti. I hope that you guys want to have more contents in the channel, and if you want, please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you receive my future videos, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, because tomorrow will be my last day with the Motti, so I'm gonna say bye!